Downriver. The storm is a girl on the edge of fury in a dress the color of lead. Not the girl I once was. That's too easy. Let's talk about downriver parishes no one knows the names of. Not a spill of moonlight. No cool, loose dirt. Let's talk about a river, thrashing, blinking open. No lovely blur, but a wrecked pink shotgun, splintered, crushed. Yes, I am talking about dynamite. Yes, downriver is a word. Take it apart. I am talking about the levee at Caernarvon. No metaphor, only spill, only break, only explode, not edge. Yet how often I walked the Mississippi's border, mud sunk, swirl of storm, no, too lovely. Tall river grass, levee stunned open, glow of a silvered moon between split trees, a body swept and dredged. Outside with my daughter, I lie down on a river of glittering asphalt, and she draws my outline, carefully chalks my body into our street. All summer there's been no rain, the grass yellow and dry. I watch my girl, but look past her to see the other girl, myself, on the levee, running over clean cement, down to the water where rain's blunt edge drums the mud of the river. Then I imagine another street, a body floating in the flood, family on a roof drawn into the tightest circle. My daughter draws around me, colors my absence, this girl who once lived safely in my body. Make this scene a book open on a table, the dirt, the water, a page we turned, a page ripped out, the present, the past, mud bank, river's splintered light, the crystal birch, a boy who tried to ground himself in my body. The time before I lost the borders of myself. Spanish moss nodded over tree limbs, and I stood up. I walked away. In bed now, here are 2 pages joined together. I hold my girls and try to remember. Girls who won't remember this, how I am pressed between them like a leaf on tracing paper. Missing. 16 years to the day, another hurricane reverses the Mississippi's course. My father waits in our house beside the river, and I dream my mother drowning, water closing over her head. In my dreams, she is always dying, then also pricked alive again, fairy tale spindle. My friends and I text each other to describe the dreams in which our mothers ask us why they're dead. New Orleans is the place around which I uselessly orbit. After Katrina, typing my mother's name, missing person Jackie Cooley, into search engines. 16 years ago, my daughter's asking, what is a hurricane's eye? What can it see? Then my mother was alive, refusing to leave the city. Now I text my father, how high is the water? Are there tornadoes? Phones and electric out. I wish for a silver slick of river to spare our house. Meanwhile, A new dream about my mother wrongly comforts. She thrashes to the Gulf's sand floor, yet she won't burn or come apart.